Hello everyone, my name is George and I'm a web application developer. And in this video, I'm doing a presentation on the transport web application that I built. And this application is designed to help transport owners and company owners manage their day-to-day transport operations from one centralized platform. The application provides dedicated modules for users, trips, drivers, vehicles, fuel management, maintenance, and expense tracking. The goal is to make fleet operations more organized, improve accountability, reduce operational costs, and give managers better control over their transportation activities. Now let's take a closer look at the different features of the application. We'll start with the users management page. This section allows administrators to manage the people who have access to the transport management system. Here we can view registered users together with basic information such as their name, email address, assigned role. For example, a user can be registered as a driver or assigned another role within the organization depending on the permissions available within the system. The Add User button allows administrators to create additional user accounts. This makes it easier for organizations to control system access and ensure that appropriate employees can use the relevant parts of the application. On the trip logs page, this section allows or is designed to record and manage vehicle trips. When no trips have been recorded, the application displays a clear empty state message indicating that there are currently no trips logged. Using the Start Trip button, a driver authorized user can begin recording a new journey. A complete trip management system can capture important information such as the vehicle being used, the assigned driver, the trip starting point, the destination, departure and arrival times, distance traveled, and the overall status of the trip. This information can transport managers monitor vehicle usage and maintain accurate operational records. On the driver's management page, this section allows or provides a centralized location for managing all drivers working within the organization. When there are no drivers registered, the system displays a message prompting the administrator to add one. The Add Driver button can be used to register a new driver and store important information such as the driver's name, contact details, license information, and availability. Having a dedicated management model makes it easier for fleet managers to assign drivers to vehicles and trips while maintaining accurate driver records. The vehicle management page is one of the core sections of the application. Here, the transport manager can view all registered vehicles in the fleet. Each vehicle record can display information such as the vehicle make, model, registration or identification number, mileage, and operational status. The Add Vehicle button allows fleet managers to register additional vehicles. This section can also be expanded to provide detailed vehicle profiles, including insurance information, road readiness details, servicing history, and current location. The fuel management page is one of the biggest operating costs in transportation and logistics, so tracking fuel usage is extremely important. This page allows users to record fuel purchases and consumption. The log fuel button can be used to create a new fuel entry. A fuel record could maintain information such as the vehicle, amount of fuel purchased, cost, fuel station, dates, mileage, and the employee or driver responsible for the transaction. With this information, transport managers can monitor fuel expenses and identify unusual fuel consumption patterns. It can also be used to help determine the fuel efficiency of individual vehicles. On the maintenance page, the model is designed to help organizations schedule and monitor vehicle servicing and repairs. In this example, we can see a scheduled tire rotation and tire change activity together within the scheduled area. Once the maintenance work has been completed, the user can mark the task as complete. On the expense tracking page, this is intended to promote organization with centralized location for recording and monitoring transport related expenses. Expenses can include vehicle repairs, spare parts, toll charges, insurance, parking fees, fuel costs, driver allowances, and other operational expenses. By tracking these transactions, management can gain a better understanding of how much money is being spent on each vehicle and across the entire transport operation. This model can also be expanded to provide financial summaries, expense categories, reports, and analytics. So, in conclusion, the transport management web application provides a centralized solution for managing the major activities involved in running a transportation of fleet-based business. Thank you for watching, and this is a demonstration of the transport management web application.